Hello, my name is Lily Gonzalez. Today day is April the 1st, 2022, and this is my video presentation about the pig dissection, and today we will show the lawn. Here we have the pig. I start opening already so we can get a save time. To find the lawn, we already have to take the heart. So we already take the heart out. And now we can see the lungs is here. We can see the trachea and the larynx of the pork. And now we can see this is the left bronchus and the left lobe of the lung and the right lobe of the lung. And we can hear down, we can see the diaphragm, and we can see also the left branches and the right branches of the pork. Here's the part. The lungs is divided in three parts. The first two parts is the apical lobe. The middle part is the cardiac lobe, and the last part is the diaphragmatic lobe. And it have also a last lobe that is called intermediate lobe. Okay, now I will talk about a disease of the lung, and we have many ones, but I choose the asthma. The asthma is a disease with the respiratory tract can get narrow, and people can have difficult breathing, and they will require medication like inhalers and treatment, because if not, they will have trouble breathing and they can die. And that's it. Thank you for watching.